So what does it mean to generate income from your portfolio? When we're talking about generating income, we're talking about the investment objective, meaning what is the purpose of the investments in the account. It's important to identify what your investment objective is to make sure that you're invested in the proper securities and that your investments are aligned with your goals. A lot of people invest for the purpose of capital appreciation or growth. They want to see the value of their account go up over time. But when someone says that they want to invest for income, that means they want to have the securities in their account produce an income source. This is really common for retirees who are no longer working and need to replace a paycheck. And so they want to choose investments that are positioned to generate income, whether that be interest, dividends, or capital gains. And then they can take the income from their investment portfolio and live off of that. So investments that generate interest are very well known source of income. This can be a savings account or a certificate of deposit. Dividends are earnings that are distributed from companies' profits to their shareholders. And then capital gains refers to an appreciation in an asset. So when you have something that increases in value and you go and sell it, that generates a capital gain. So you can trigger one of those in your investment account when you sell one of your individual positions. If it increases in value, you're going to generate a capital gain. And so that sale you can take the money from, and that can be your income. Or companies, mutual fund companies or ETFs, they can distribute capital gain distributions. So what this means is the underlying investments in the portfolio might be sold by the portfolio manager, and if that has increased in value, that's going to generate a capital gain, which is therefore passed along to the investor. So that is ultimately a capital gain to the investor at the investor level and taxed at their tax rate. So that is a high-level overview of how to generate income from your portfolio.